Hello everyone, welcome to Trading and Investing Tip YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see basics of share market for beginners. Even when I start my share market trading, one of my friends said it is too risky and gambling one. Then I asked myself, is it true? But truth is, without having proper knowledge about it, if you do it, then it will become gambling. For example, if we want to start business without knowing it, we cannot get success in business. So always keep it in mind. First learn, then earn. Fact is, stock market has a lot of potential to give better growth. Let me show the history. If you had buy 1000 shares of Reliance company in 2005 at 100 rupee, within 15 years it became 2000 rupee per share. Let's do simple calculation. In 2005 you buy 1000 shares at 100 rupee, so that you invested 1 lakh rupee. In 2020 it became 2000 rupee per share, so your investment amount became 20 lakh rupee now. Almost 1900% profit. Can you imagine it? That was a big one, right? Now let's see few familiar words using in stock market. First one, stock exchange platform. That is where companies are listed. In India, we have two popular stock exchange for equity market. First one, NSE. We can also call it as National Stock Exchange. It is more popular and familiar exchange in India. There, 1952 companies are listed. Now let's see the indexes of National Stock Exchange. Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 500 and so many are there. Example, under Nifty 50, we have top 50 companies based on market capital. Second one, Bombay Stock Exchange. We can also call it as BSE. It is an old stock exchange in India. There, 5,439 companies are listed. Now let's see the indexes of BSE. BSE Sensex, S&P BSE Small Cap, S&P BSE Mid Cap, S&P BSE Large Cap, etc. For commodity market, we have Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited. We can also call it as MCX. Here you can trade following commodity: metal, gold, silver, agro commodities, energy, for example crude oil, natural gas. Now you can ask, can I buy or sell a share of company in stock exchange directly? My answer is no. Through stockbroker only you can buy it. Then you may ask, who is stockbroker? Stockbroker, they are the members of stock exchange. Through stockbroker only we can invest in stock market. So, first and foremost step to invest in stock market, we need to open Demat account with help of stockbroker. Also call it as dematerialized account. Then only we can buy or sell or hold shares of company. In India, we have lot of brokers for Demat account opening. For example, Upstart, Zerodha, Angel Broking. In that, Zerodha is one of the best broker for opening Demat account. Demat account opening link is given in below description. Use that link for opening a Demat account in Zerodha. If you want video about how to open Demat account, please let me know in comment section. Now let's see opening and closing time of share market. Trading time of equity market is between 9:50 am to 3:30 pm, and for commodity market in between 10 am to 11:30 pm. Generally from Monday to Friday are the working days of Indian stock market. Now let's see the third one, depositories. This is a place where financial securities are held in dematerialized form. It is responsible for maintenance of ownership record. Example, if you buy share, they will maintain this record in dematerialized form. They are the two depositories which are functional in India. First one, NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. Second one, CDSL, Central Security Depository Limited. Now let's see the fourth one, depository participant. They are the intermediaries between depositories and the investor. Mostly stockbroker plays this role. Now let's see the fifth one, clearing and settlement. Trading done by same day, but clearing and settlement will take T plus 2 days. Suppose if you buy shares, it will reflect in your Demat account on T plus 2 days. Here T is trading or buying day. These clearing and settlement take care by following one. National Security Clearing Corporation Limited, NSCCL for NSE. And for BSE, Indian Clearing Corporation Limited. And for MCX, Multi-Commodity Exchange Clearing Corporation Limited, also call it as MCX CCL. Now we are in end of this video. If you have any doubt about basics of stock market, please let me know in comment section. I will try to clear your doubts. And as soon as possible, I will also post part 2 of basics of stock market for beginners. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit a bell icon. Until then, bye bye.